which essential oils would you use to help overcome the winter blues? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering 5 essential oils for winter blues. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing a couple great diffuser blends for the winter blues as well. Now let's jump right into the video. So our first oil for winter blues is actually a category of oils, and this category is citrus oils. Citrus oils are so uplifting, and they are sometimes referred to as like sunshine in a bottle or even liquid sunshine. Now there are quite a few different citrus oils to choose from, but personally I love orange, lemon, and grapefruit essential oils. And when I take off the lid and breathe it in deeply, it's like an immediate pick-me-up for me. So now, how will we use the citrus oils for helping us kick the winter blues? That is a great question. Of course, a wonderful way to get the benefits all throughout the day is to diffuse them in your home. You can diffuse just one of the oils, or you can combine different ones together to create your own uplifting scent. Now, a diffuser is great, but what if you are out and about? It's kind of hard to keep a diffuser with you then, right? Well, a great way to get the uplifting benefits of the essential oils for times like this would be to use a personal nasal inhaler. They are very convenient. You can just drop like 10 to 15 drops of your essential oil on the cotton wick that comes with the inhaler, and then to use it you would just unscrew the cap, place the inhaler to your nose, and inhale deeply. Of course, if you don't have the diffuser nor the inhaler with you, you can just carry your favorite uplifting oil with you in your pocket or in your purse and just take the cap off wherever you need it and breathe it in deeply right from the bottle. And one more great way to get the benefits of these oils is to take an aromatherapy bath. Pick your favorite oil or a combination of a couple oils and blend about 10 to 15 drops in some Epsom salt and mix it in your warm bath water for a great relaxing and uplifting bath. I have 4 more great essential oils for combating the winter blues to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We want to make sure that we are only using the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I really encourage you to research the purity of oils, and if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I touch on the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Okay, on to our second essential oil for winter blues. This one is frankincense. Now, frankincense is a great soothing, comforting, and even uplifting essential oil. For this one, we can use a drop under our tongue a couple of times throughout the day. Now, please, 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 please only use your frankincense under your tongue if your bottle is one that is recommended for internal use. We can also apply the frankincense to the bottoms of our feet to get the great benefits we just mentioned, and of course we can use it in the same way as the citrus oils. A great energizing pick-me-up with the frankincense oil is to drop a couple of drops in the palm of your hand along with a couple drops of peppermint and orange oil. Then you rub your hands together and inhale deeply from your hands. Okay, for our third oil for winter blues, we have copaiba. Copaiba, whichever way you say it. When you're feeling kind of anxious or under a lot of stress or nervousness, copaiba is a great one to turn to. This is another oil to drop under the tongue, again, only if it is recommended on your bottle label. So for this one, you can also apply a couple drops to the back of your neck and on your spine before bed, as well as using it in the same way as the citrus oils in a diffuser, in a bath, etc. Now our next 2 oils are both blends of oils. The first essential oil blend for winter blues is the uplifting blend. This blend is made up of orange, clove, star anise, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla bean extract, ginger, cinnamon, and Zederwetz herb. As you can imagine, this blend smells incredible, and all of these mixed together create a really great uplifting blend. When you're feeling down and out, go ahead and apply a drop of this oil blend to your hands, rub them together, and then inhale deeply. And you can do this throughout the day whenever you need to, or you can use the nasal inhaler or the diffuser like we mentioned earlier. And then our second blend of oils for winter blues is the calming blend. This blend is a mixture of orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, neroli, and sweet gum. This is one of my absolute favorite blends. It smells amazing. This calming blend is incredible at helping to boost our mood. It's relaxing and it's great at helping to soothe and to uplift. You can use this blend to soak in a relaxing Epsom salt bath by adding 3 to 4 drops to your bath water. You can mix a few drops with fractionated coconut oil for a soothing massage, and of course you can diffuse it or use it with a nasal inhaler throughout the day. Now I've linked up all of these oils below this video video, so if you'd like to check them out, then click on the description of this video. Alright, now I also have the bonus diffuser blends for the winter blues to share with you. But if you are someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop, where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and hoodies and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now on to our two bonus blends. Our first diffuser blend for the winter blues is called Winter Cheer. And for this diffuser blend, you're going to be putting 3 drops of orange, 2 drops of peppermint, and 1 drop of ylang ylang in your diffuser. And our second diffuser blend recipe is called Blues Relief. And for this one, you're going to be putting 3 drops of orange, 2 drops of clove, and 2 drops of lemon in your diffuser. Now we know that the winter months can also bring other irritating things to our lives along with the winter blues, right? We deal with things like coughs and colds and congestion. So if you'd like my free ebook with some other great recipes for these concerns, then check out the link in the description below. Now click or tap the screen here to check out my video where I share some of the best essential oils for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.